Namaste all, we the members of Ayurvani. I am to be here with you again to spread the ideologies of most Asian medical system. The Ayush Ministry is doing its best in contributing to the society along with CSIR. India's Ministry of Traditional Medicine issued an advisory advocating preventive treatment against the viral infection. Ayush Ministry has taken up clinical study on potential of Vasa and Guduchi for management of COVID-19. The Ministry of Ayush has approved a proposal for carrying out a clinical study to assess the role of Vasa and Guduchi in therapeutic management of symptoms in COVID-19 positive patients. The Ministry of Ayush said that this will be a randomized open lab 3-arm study and will be conducted at the All India Institute of Ayurveda, New Delhi, in collaboration with the IGIB unit of CSIR. In the view of the need for accelerated solutions for COVID-19, the Ministry of Ayush has taken up systematic studies on different possible solutions through multiple channels. As part of this effort, a proposal for a clinical study to assess the role of Vasagana, Guduchigana and Vasa-Guduchigana in therapeutic management of symptoms in COVID-19 positive cases has recently been approved. The Ministry of Ayush said Vasa and Guduchi are time-tested herbs in India healthcare traditions, used in a variety of disease conditions. The outcome of this project would therefore be of considerable interest to the entire Ayush sector. News from the countries. The Union Minister Harshvardhan said the Indian Council of Medical Research (ICMR) has been conducting large-scale sequencing of nationally representative strains collected over a few months, and detailed results on mutation of the virus will be available in early October. On the recent saliva-based test for COVID-19, Vardhan noted that ICMR has validated a few tests, but no reliable test has been found, and companies with tests approved by US FDA has still not approached the Government of India. The Union Ministry assured another follower that no significant or drastic mutations have been found in strains of SARS-CoV-19 in India till now. Then said 155 families of COVID warriors have claimed relief under the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan package insurance scheme for health workers fighting COVID-19. This includes 64 doctors, 32 auxiliary nurse, midwives and multi-purpose healthcare workers, 14 ASHA workers and 45 other four-line workers who lost their lives. News from the states. From the Synthetic South's official sources, analysis of the clinical trials registry at ICMR's National Institute of Medical Statistics reveals more number of clinical trials of COVID-19 drugs in progress by Ayush, leaving behind those in allopathy in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Ongoing drug trials. In view of no vaccine or treatment available for COVID-19, there is need to investigate the potential intervention. Although there are a lot of clinical studies ongoing across the world, there is a scope for traditional system of medicine also in these types of pandemic conditions, where masses of population are affected. For immune boosting, the Ayush sector has included ashwagandha as a prophylactic measure among high-risk population. National Research Institute of Unani Medicine in Skin Diseases based in Hyderabad is carried out trials of the use of Joshanda, Shamira, Marwari, Unani medicine for prophylactic interventions on the population at risk of COVID-19. A study will be carried out on the total sample size of 40,000. The National Institute of Indian Medical Heritage is using Chavanapraslekim as a prophylactic measure in Telangana. At hotspots of COVID-19 in both Telangana and Andhra, Arsenum alba 30 drug is distributed as a prophylactic for COVID-19 as a part of research to evaluate the effect and safety of a phytopharmaceutical drug in the treatment of novel coronavirus infection. Purified aqueous extract of Cocculus hirsulus AQCH tablets are used in Gandhi Hospital. That's all for today's news for everybody. Wishing you all a good health and good day from Swapna of Ayurvani. Thank you.